Last November, this man, Edward Walker, received a prescription for what doctors say was a simple eye infection. Now, almost 11 months later, his eyes have worsened. Not because of a misdiagnosis, but because of a prescription he should have never received. Tonight on 13 Investigates, we look into how it happened and how you can avoid it happening to you. Edward Walker is in pain.
A lot of long sleepless nights.
Pain you can't see.
My vision is slightly blurry since then.
But pain he can feel.
It's hard to close my eyes comfortably. Even just sitting here now, they off and on burn.
It all started in early November of last year.
When seeing my doctor, and I just had a little slight concern if I was maybe allergic to something at my job that I no longer work at. I haven't worked there for about a year now.
So he was prescribed tobramycin dexamethasone, eye drops aimed at treating his infection. But that's not the prescription he received.
Now, when they gave me the prescription, they gave me eye information and eye instructions along with the prescription.
After about 5 days of putting those drops in his eyes,
I would feel the burn, but I was just thinking maybe just because of it being an antibiotic and it's working.
He realized it was not the right medication.
Once I looked to see what was all in it, on the back of the box it said for ears only.
Instead, that box had this medication in it, commonly used to treat ear infections.
And so then I was concerned about that, and I rushed to the emergency room.
And then an emergency ophthalmologist.
And when I went and seen them, they just had concerns with my eyes. They were swelling up, bright red.
Now, almost 10 months later.
My glands is clogged up behind my eyelids. So by my glands being clogged up behind my eyelids, it's forming basically like a pimple that you would get on your arm. It's forming pimples off and on behind my eyelids.
He's still on medication for what he calls a mistake by the Walgreens pharmacy on the corner of Sandy Hollow and 11th Street in Rockford. Walgreens says it has apologized for the error, but said no worker was punished for the mistake and gave no other help to Walker. In a statement to 13 Investigates, Walgreens said in part, quote, "Cases like this are rare and we take any prescription error very seriously. In the event there is an error with the prescription, our first concern is for the patient's well-being. We're sorry this occurred and have apologized to the patient," end quote. After hearing of this incident, 13 Investigates reached out to a local pharmacist to see how common incorrect prescriptions are given to patients.
The medication errors, they don't happen very often, but because it's a human process, and there is, so medications, they do happen though.
Kyle Schick, Regional Pharmacy Director at OSF St. Anthony, says improvements in technology have made mistakes like what happened to Edward Walker few and far between. But he still advises every patient to take every precaution possible, even after you get home.
If medications look different when you get them home, there definitely could be a different type of medication error. So definitely ask the pharmacist if anything looks different or appears different, a different color. That always helps.
For Walker, he just wants the pain to go away.
Just waiting to go in and have my surgery and get all this done and over with and behind me and move further with my life.
Now, Walker tells 13 Investigates the apology from Walgreens isn't enough, and he has hired legal representation to explore his options. His lawyer says they are still in the initial stages of the case and cannot be resolved until Walker has surgery or has his eyes fixed with medication. We first heard about this story because of a tip. If you have a story that you want us to investigate, you can call our 13 Investigates tip line. That number on your screen, 815-335-7890.